Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can send big files with WeTransfer. It is a completely beginner friendly tutorial and it will be another quick tutorial for you guys. So here as you can see that WeTransfer is a tool where you can use the free plan to send up to 3 GB file every month. So here you just need to click over here, create account. Once you click over here, then you can continue with the Google. It is the simplest way. Always I choose this one. So I will click over here, then select this one. Once I select this one, then click to the continue. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to this page. So here eventually you can see it. So I will click over here, I agree. Then here, want updates from your trusted person? Yes, please. So now here you can see this is the panel where we just need to be upload our file. So I will click over here, add files, which file we want to share with our friends. So I will click this one, and here you can see that we already sent this email to project01@gmail.com. So let's check this out. Is our mail really okay or not? So let's check out our mail address and let's paste it here, and here eventually our paste has been done. Let's check it. Expires in 3 days, and click to the continue. Track downloads any anonymous, like get notified when your files are downloaded for the first time. Download must input email. Just transfer back to free options. Okay, this one is free for us, so let me transfer, and it will take a while to complete transferring. So here you can see the file size is, and do not close the window until we complete. So you are done. Email sent, transfer is valid for 3 days. So let's check out our mail. So go to the Gmail, and here you can eventually set that our WeTransfer mail has been come over here. This is the download link. If I click over here, then here eventually we are allowed to download this file. So here I will click on agree. We're nearly ready. So this is the link, just click to the download, and here eventually it has been downloaded. So this is the simplest way to send big files with WeTransfer. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic.